my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, we are going to be diving into a game-changing topic of unlocking the secrets of AI tools. Lovelies, you know, AI has literally taken over our world, and if you are not making money from any of these AI tools, you have to start today and start making money. And in this video today, I will be showing us step by step how to use the simplest AI tool to write captivating product descriptions. And that's not all. Lovelies, I will be showing you the platforms where you turn these skills into real money. Are you interested in unlocking any of these secrets?
Yes.
Are you a dad, or you're a mom, or students looking for side hustles, second streams of incomes? This video right here is for you. Stick around because you don't want to miss the tips and tricks I have in store for you. To make $400 per day, lovelies, look at these professionals on Fiverr. They are charging $100 per product description writing. If they write 5 a day, that's $500. If they write 10 in a day, that's $1,000 per day. But what about you as a beginner? I would suggest you charge in the neighborhood of $50 instead of $100. Before we dive deep into today's topic, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to WellPost TV. My name is Tina. This is a channel where we talk about all things entrepreneurship, side hustles, how to make money online, and how to save some money for the rainy days. Do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification, like this video, share with your family and friends. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you. I love you. Continue to support us, and may the universe continue to support you. Right now, lovelies, let's dive into the business of today.
Let's go.
So what exactly is this AI? Of course, it's a simulation of human intelligence processing by machine, especially computer system thinking and acting and writing like humans, like you and I. In today's video, we're going to be using the simplest form, which is Chatgpt. And I would like you to think of it as your 24/7 writing friend. Something you can use 24/7 to write, okay? This AI marvel from OpenAI that can generate text that sounds like it's written by human. Imagine sharing your ideas with it and getting back polished content in seconds. Lovelies, let's check it out in action. Just type in what you need and voila, you've got the content ready to go. And here's a little secret. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better the results. Now, let's jump into the fun part of writing product descriptions with Chatgpt. Imagine you are selling a luxurious lavender-scented soap. You'd prompt Chatgpt with something like, write me a captivating description for lavender-scented soap. And let's see what it comes up with. Wow, look at that. It not only describes the scents, but also evokes imageries and sensory experiences. The key here is to make your products come alive with words. The more details you give to Chatgpt, the more prompts, the better. Quick question for you, lovelies. What's the most unusual product you've ever sold or bought? Drop it in the comments below. I will be in the comments reading your answers, and let's see who has the widest story. All right. Let me know at this point if you're having any difficulties with, generating product description using Chatgpt. If you have any questions, put it on the comment section and I'll be there to respond to your questions, okay? If you also need help with downloading Chatgpt, either on your iPhones or Androids, let me know. I can send you a link for that. But I believe at this point, you can generate product description. And the next thing we're going to do is move on to the platforms where we're going to showcase these skills that you just acquired. And the platforms we're going to be using would be Fiverr and Upwork. Now on Fiverr and Upwork, first thing you want to do is create a standout profile. You can sell these skills without a profile, that is speaking volumes about yourself. And it's as simple as introducing yourself. Hi, I'm Tina, or meet Tina. I'm an expert product description writer using AI tools, and your bio should reflect your passion and expertise. Of course, you have passion for helping people. That's why you have come up with these skills. Remember what I told us earlier in other of my video that, the world right now needs skills. They need problem solving skills, and this that you just learned right now is one of those skills. There are a lot of entrepreneurs out there, a lot of people selling on Amazon, selling on eBay. They need people to write product description for them, and that's where you come in. But first thing first, like I brought us to this platform, is for you to create a standout profile. Guys, let them know you are the go-to person for engaging descriptions. Use bullet points for easy readings, and don't forget to mention how AI enhances your writing process. These days people want to know, they want to see how faster, how easier things can get done by using AI tools. So you mentioning it can also help improve your profile. And here is an example of how to set up your gig. Next, let's set up your gig. Be specific about what clients will receive. Offer different packages, perhaps a basic package for one description and a premium package for 3 descriptions with SEO optimization. A pro tip to help you get more customers and stand out from other people's profile is to always include your work or even mock descriptions created by Chatgpt. If you have any work you've done in the past, put it on your profile. It can't be too much. If you don't have, use Chatgpt. This builds trust and showcases your skill right off the bat. When customer comes to you, they know what to expect, and that's the trust. That's what you want to instill in the hearts and minds of customers as they approach you. Now that your profile is shining on Fiverr, copy the same thing we did and go to Upwork, www.upwork.com, and do the same thing. Create a profile. At this point, you have 2 profiles. You have also mastered how to write product descriptions using Chatgpt. If you have questions on having your Chatgpt set up, let me know in the comment section. I'm more than happy to help you out, okay? So at this point, you have the skills, the platforms where to get paid. The next thing is market like a pro. Put yourself out there. Do not be afraid to introduce yourself. Go to a lot of social media profiles. For instance, Facebook has a lot of groups that you can join. Look for those groups that have product suppliers. There are lots of entrepreneurs looking for people to help with their product descriptions. Go out there and introduce yourself. Join those groups and say, hi, my name is John. I'm an expert with product description. I can write you this and that. This is what I can help with. And I am the fastest using AI tool. Do not be afraid to put yourself there. And I'm so excited for you. Just network like a pro. The more people come to you, the more you're going back to Chatgpt and getting more skills, okay? And the more people know about your services, the request for your service will grow, and your clientele will grow, and the money in the pocket will grow, and the more opportunities will come your way. Lovelies, have you ever had a great marketing idea that worked wonders? Kindly share in the comment section to inspire others, because I know there are lots of people still sitting on the fence, not knowing how to go about this. But trust me, you can do this. Get up, get the skills, play around with ChatGPT. You can write product description for literally anything and create your profile. Let me know in the comment section how this is coming for you. I'm so excited to read your story. And that's a wrap. Using the simplest AI tools to craft irresistible product descriptions, that's not only going to enhance your writing skills, but also unlock new income streams. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online, on freelancing tricks and tips, and on AI tools. And hey, don't forget to comment if you have any questions or if you want to share your experience. I love hearing from you. Check out the links in the description for all the resources mentioned today. Until I see you in my next video, stay winning and stay safe.